Ace is a 20-something in a couple who has just lost their first baby. His girlfriend had to have an abortion because there was something wrong with the baby. They are so distraught that they cannot even be in the same room together and take off to deal with their grief separately. The story is split between Ace and his girlfriend, Raven. Raven tries to find herself, while Ace convinces himself that he's okay and that she will come back to him. Meanwhile, the world is turning into an uninhabitable wasteland of a technopocalypse, and it's up to two people who can't even stand one another to find each other before it's too late. This story is about how a dystopian world gives two broken people the chance to see each other and learn from one another in order for them both to heal from their grief and help stop a potentially disastrous future.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on what type of story you would like us to make the AI generate.